case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The case of Adamson v. California, heard by the Supreme Court of the United States in 1947, revolved around the compelling issue of a state's ability to comment upon a defendant's choice to remain silent. The case stemmed from the murder conviction of Adamson, a Californian citizen in the state's highest court. His sentence of death was affirmed, leading Adamson to appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court on grounds that his rights under the 14th Amendment were violated. The contentious legal issue arose from the behavior of the prosecution during the trial. California law allowed the court and the jury to consider and comment upon the defendant's failure to explain or deny evidence brought against him. This was a predicament for Adamson, as he was faced with the choice of revealing his past convictions or allowing harmful inferences to be drawn from the uncontradicted evidence. However, the case was not a straightforward appeal. The crux lay in the test for selective incorporation of rights as applicable against the states. According to the test, a right needs to be of the very essence of a scheme of ordered liberty to be incorporated. Justice Reed, although recognizing that any comment could infringe on the Fifth Amendment's privilege against self-incrimination, maintained that the 14th Amendment simply granted a fair trial. He concluded, invoking the precedent established in Palco, not all guarantees of the Bill of Rights were protected under the 14th Amendment. Thus, he found no basis for applying the privilege against self-incrimination to the states. Ultimately, the U.S. Supreme Court decided not to interfere with the California Supreme Court's conclusion, thereby upholding the initial verdict. The decision further insulated the state's criminal justice system from charges of violating federal constitutional rights, solidifying the authority of states to comment on a defendant's silence within due process constraints.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.